Introducing Africote Rust Paint, your gateway to elevating ordinary surfaces into remarkable masterpieces. Designed to capture the raw beauty of weathered metal, this innovative paint delivers a rich, authentic rust effect that adds depth and character to any project. Please note that this video is not for training purposes. It is a preview of how the product is applied for viewers. Contact Africote for more information. Tool up with a paintbrush, a paint tray, a paint sponge, all easily found at your local Africote store. Apply a layer of your rust paint undercoat with your paintbrush and watch as the vibrant rust colors and subtle sheen set the perfect stage. Let this dry for 24 hours and enjoy the anticipation of what's to come. Apply a coat of Africote Rust Paint, and within 20 minutes to 2 hours, it should be tacky with a blue-gray appearance before moving to the next step. Now you will apply your oxidizer. You can apply one oxidizer, but for a unique project, experiment with different looks by applying rust brown oxidizer to one area and rust black oxidizer to another, or you can mix both oxidizers for a custom rust finish. Either apply them separately or blend them into one bottle for a beautiful cohesive effect. There are many ways that you can apply the oxidizer, such as sponging it on, painting it on, spraying it on, or letting it drip onto your rust paint. Here are some photos of a rust paint using brown and black oxidizers, which were applied by sponging and spraying it onto the rust paint. Here are some incredible examples of how each technique will produce a separate and unique look. These photos show the distinct difference between using the brown oxidizer versus the black oxidizer to accomplish two individual and separate looks. Our sales consultants would be thrilled to assist you with product queries and home design. Africote thanks you for watching.